In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Drive photos to JPG. If you've ever downloaded an image from Drive and found it isn't in JPG format, or you just want a smaller, more universally compatible file, this walkthrough is for you. All you need is a web browser and an internet connection. Start on the Google homepage. In the top right corner, look for the grid of 9 small dots, the Google Apps Launcher. Click it, then choose Drive to open your files. Before we can convert anything, we need to get the photo out of Drive and onto your computer. Open the photo in Drive so you can see its preview. At the top of that window, click the download icon, the arrow pointing down. Your browser will save the file, usually to the Downloads folder. Note the file name. We'll select it in a moment. Next, open a new tab and search for JPG Converter. You'll see several options. Pick a trusted site. As a quick tip, avoid uploading sensitive images to third-party services and check any file size limits if your photo is very large. On the converter page, click Select File. A file picker will open. Navigate to your Downloads folder, select the photo you just saved from Drive, and confirm. The site will load your image and show an output format menu. Click the drop-down and choose JPG as the target format. If the tool offers optional settings like quality or resolution, the defaults are fine for most uses. Now click Convert. The service will process your image. This usually takes a few seconds, depending on file size and connection speed. When it finishes, you'll see a download button for the converted file. Click Download, and your new JPG will save to your computer, again typically in the Downloads folder. Open it to confirm it looks right, and you're all set. That's the process. Open Drive from the Google Apps grid, download your photo, visit a reliable JPG converter, select your file, choose JPG, convert, and download. With these steps, you can turn photos from Drive, whether they start as PNG, HEIC, or another format, into widely compatible JPGs ready for sharing or uploading wherever you need them.